you're just gonna come over a crest. Go slow, go right. Oh, you okay? You okay?
Am I recording? Okay, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. That's Kyle on Husky 350. We're gonna check out Prairie City this morning. Not really sure what to expect. Yeah, from what I researched, it looks like just a bunch of flat areas with random trails. So there's really no sense of direction. Hopefully, the GSA will do well. I haven't seen any footage of adventure bikes going there. Only dirt bikes, dual sports. So that's kind of scary a little bit. All right, so we'll turn the camera back on when I get there, and we'll see what we see. I wonder if my tires are good enough. Where does it go? You just turn left? I'll turn right. Oh damn, it's sandy.
Oh, you got it. You got it. Oh, that is really sandy. There you go. Just go up there. Go, 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 go.
Yeah.
Oh. You got it. You got it. You just got to keep up the momentum. Offroad set. There you go. Nice.
It is loose. I know, I just wasn't ready for it. Yeah, I should stay with the hard pack on these tires. My tires are probably caked up. Yeah, I know, I need to change it. Yeah, I'm just worried about this 9010 because it's just I never used these tires before. Let me shake off these fucking mud. Yeah, like I think if I had the tires I had on the Tenere, I would be more confident. Oh. Yeah. I almost slide on the back there. Yeah, I didn't know which way to go per I don't know which one's the better line. Okay. I'll just follow you, it's better so I know where we're going. Yeah, the suspension on the GS is amazing. It's like I can barely feel any of this stuff. And then we just keep going up. I don't know. I think it's I don't know if it's the GS or it's me. The GS says the suspension is very nice. It's like it's not jarring, so it's like giving me a lot of input. Okay. Just go straight. You know, a lot of this is just it's intimidating at first, but it's just like it's because I'm intimidating myself because it's a big bike and it's a new place I've never been. Whoa, baby heads. Oh man. Come on, Rhino. Go right. Okay, left then. Oh my god, torque. What a torque monster. Oh my god. Dude, dude, this bike is amazing, dude. We just go all the way up. Dude, torque everywhere. The power. Yeah, I probably need I don't know if I need bar risers, but oh, this is a nice picture area here. Should go where this grass is. Right here. Oh, it's a nice picture spot. Look at this. Whoa. No. Are we going right or left? Okay. It's just this, I'm not confident about my tires at all. Oh shit. Oh shit. That was not, I was not expecting that. There's some, yeah, I know, but there. Fuck. I did not expect that. I don't want to go too much on this. I don't want to shake my camera too much. Oh yeah. That's kind of like I'm worried about the camera a little bit. But yeah, pretty mild. Okay. I tried to pad the camera enough so that it doesn't get shaken, but it's still worried. Whoa! I have not hit my belly pan just yet, so still kind of good. It's a good sign. The belly pan, the skid plate, I didn't hit it yet. That stairs, I thought I was gonna. That staircase, I was like, I don't want to. Oh, that's SOS.
Okay.
I spoke too soon. Yeah, go. Oh. I spoke too soon.
You okay? Here, you want help? Here. You ready? You okay? This is the main road here, I think. It seemed like it was just a slide. Oh, you want to? You're coming my way, right? Yep. There you go. That's gonna. It's all balanced. It's sliding out. There you go.
How do I?
Why is it so hard now? I think that's the way to end the video. I fell twice at the end there, but yeah, that's what happens off-road. I will go ahead and go home and assess the damage, and then we'll see what happens with the, if I have to repair anything. So, but yeah, that's Prairie City. Pretty nice though, otherwise. We just didn't see that blind crest and a steep drop-off. I think I should have what I should have done is I should have leaned back to the rear a little bit more and just rode it. Don't use any brakes. I don't know what I did. I think I just leaned too much to the front. Yeah, I should have leaned backwards on the hill. That's part of just being inexperienced. So, all right. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.